अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, खबर शामिल करते हैं कौरंगी कराची से, जहां निगरान वज़ीर ए'ली सैयद मकबूल बाकर जो है मीडिया से खिताब कर रहे हैं। इस मौका पर डिप्टी कमिश्नर कौरंगी सैयद जवाद, मظफर, SSP हसन, सردار नेयाजी, डिस्ट्रक्ट कौरंगी प्रेस क्लब के बानी वصدر रस्तम कादरी भी मौजूद हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सेक्रेटरी DPED मिस्टर तहा फारूकी, मिस्टर हिलाल इब्राहिम, मिस इरम रिजवान, faculty and students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is truly an honor to stand before you today as we celebrate the remarkable achievements of the Center for Autism Rehabilitation and Training, Sindh. This institution stands as a beacon of hope and progress for children with autism, not only in Sindh, but across South Asia. Today, I am filled with pride to see how this wonderful facility has impacted the lives of so many children. I am delighted to know that CR is the largest center for children with autism in South Asia. This achievement is a testament to the unwavering commitment and dedication of the individuals behind CRs, who have tirelessly worked towards creating a space where children with autism can thrive and reach their full potential. I also learned today about CR's unique mission to provide free of cost service